The safety in construction sites is created with technology. Youngshine IVIEW is leading in new thoughts on safety to effectively control safety and predict risk factors in places hard to see. The artificial intelligence-based image recognition system, IVIEW Plus, escapes from the old-fashioned safety measures and is a futuristic safety system that has emerged from the existing old safety system and is based on artificial intelligence technology that only recognizes humans. It provides solution for blind spots that occur near the equipment with the camera installed on the heavy equipment and also analyzes the conditions and information of surrounding areas in real time. Also, it only detects humans based on its own deep learning algorithm, and therefore, it can detect dangers anywhere at any time without the worker having to carry the tag or equipment on them. It is composed of the monitor that is attached to the driver's side and two cameras attached on the exterior of the equipment. The external speaker and horn can be chosen as an additional option. System installation can be done easy and fast through the cigar jack of the equipment or through simple wiring work. IVIEW Plus allows anyone to easily and directly control the system by using the GUI menu button on the screen. When humans are detected within the danger range that is set, the monitor will start blinking while the alarm goes off, and the alarm will be heard on speakers outside the vehicle to make the driver and everyone in the surrounding area aware of the dangerous situation. This alarm range can be controlled in 4 phases. Also, recorded video can be extracted at any time through the automatic recording function within the system and can be used in different ways as material for safety education, checking for accident history, and minimizing route efficiency. IVIEW Plus can be installed on all industrial vehicles and is implementing a more advanced algorithm through consistent data acquisition. Youngshine is creating a new future with smart thinking and technology regarding safety to prevent all safety accidents that can occur in industrial and construction sites.
Whenever going to work, we hope that this should not be the last time that this man says goodbye to his family. In Australia 2016, 203 workers were killed by vehicle collisions in the workplace. We have focused that more than 60% of all fatalities are due to collision accidents. You should not need to worry about your safety in the workplace, especially when accidents like this can be prevented. IPAS is a revolutionary safety system. It is designed for drivers of vehicles and workers. This technology enables your employees to be alerted as soon as there could be a possible collision.
Watch
By
out.
measuring distance, it
Watch
accurately informs workers
Watch
of an
out.
approaching hazard.
Watch out.
The IPAS system immediately alerts workers who unwittingly enter the proximity of the moving vehicle.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
The purpose of the IPAS is to protect workers. It enables every day at work to be a safe day at work. Our mission is to make sure every worker is safe and focused on what really matters: family. Think safe. Work safe. Home safe.